Show you how you can connect your Google Pixel 10 into any TV. So first of all, you will need HDMI cable. In my case, I'm using cable from Nintendo Switch 2nd generation, and the first end of the cable, you will have to plug it into the HDMI port on your TV. Now, if you have second end of the HDMI cable with USB-C, then you can straight plug it in into your Pixel. But in my case, I don't have one, so I have to actually get this hub that will allows me to plug the HDMI cable in, and this second end plug into the Google Pixel 10. Okay, so just simply plug it in. And if you are wondering about that hub, then you can actually get basically any brand. It doesn't actually matter. All you have to do is just to be sure that you've got this HDMI input in your hub and USB-C to plug it in into the port of your phone. And right now, when we connect that cable, we should get this notification about mirror to external display. And once you actually click on this button on your Pixel 10, you should get this automatic connection, automatic change on your TV. But if it is not working, then you have to grab your remote controller, click on the source button, and you will have to manually switch for HDMI input. And take a look now, we just successfully connect our Pixel 10